Hey folks, I hope you are enjoying this series and you're finding it interesting enough, and also it's helping you to clear your doubts. So, today we'll be covering the words beginning with the alphabets D and E. So, let's quickly get started. This is the exercise, you know what to do. The solution to this exercise will be covered in the last lesson of this series, and today we'll be covering 13 pairs of words. So, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump on to the first pair of words, which is diffuse and diffuse, right? DEFUSE means to make a situation less intense or less tense, right? So किसी को console करना, किसी चीज़ को शांत करना, right? So the team of doctors argued over how to diffuse the patient's condition, or how to diffuse the tension which is broiling between the two classmates, right? सो तो किसी सिचुएशन को शांत करना. नाउ डिफ्यूज मीन्स टू स्प्रेड ओवर अ वाइड एरिया. ठीक है, तो अगरबत्ती जब जलाते हैं तो अरोमा उसका इट स्प्रेड्स अक्रॉस द रूम. सो द अरोमा ऑफ द इंसेंस स्टिक्स डिफ्यूजेस अक्रॉस द रूम. ठीक है, सो इन द रूम. So the team of technologies dash rapidly. Now this can't be diffused, right? सिचुएशन, यहाँ पे कोई सिचुएशन के बारे में बात नहीं हो रही है. सो टेक्नोलॉजीज डिफ्यूज रैपिडली. द अरोमा ऑफ द हॉट फूड डिफ्यूज ऑल ओवर द रूम. राइट, नाउ डेजर्ट एंड डिजर्ट. सो यहाँ पे स्लाइट प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंस है, सो यू मस्ट कैच दिस पॉइंट. तो डेजर्ट मीन्स वाटरलेस, जिसको रेगिस्तान बोलते हैं, वाटरलेस एरिया, एम्प्टी एरिया. ठीक है, और टू अबैंडन समवन. सो एक कोई बच्चा खड़ा है जिस ही डजंट नो वेयर ही इज, और ही लॉस्ट हिज पेरेंट्स समवेयर. सो मेले में जैसे घूम जाता है कोई बच्चा, तो राइट उसको बोलते हैं ही इज अ डेजर्टेड चाइल्ड, राइट? तो इसके लिए भी डेजर्ट यूज होता है. नाउ डिजर्ट मीन्स स्वीट और मीठा, लास्ट में जो खाने के बाद देते हैं, लाइक 3 कोर्स मील होगा तो लास्ट में उसके में आपको स्वीट्स मिलेंगे, राइट, और आइसक्रीम मिलेंगे, तो इसको डिजर्ट बोलते हैं. सो ग्रैंडमा मेक्स द बेस्ट खीर फॉर डिजर्ट. यहाँ पे खीर है, इट्स अ स्वीट डिश, सो डिजर्ट. सो द सहारा इज द हॉटेस्ट डेजर्ट in the world. The aroma of the hot food, sorry, it has been taken wrongly, right? So discreet and discreet, right? Now when there's double E, it means prudent, cautious, wary, and संभल के चलना, कि embarrassment से बचने के लिए you take prudent steps, right? You are careful enough, so that means discreet. Whereas CRETE means separate and distinct, दो अलग अलग चीज़ें, right? So now let's see. The police did some discreet investigation, whereas it's CREET investigation, कि किसी को पता ना चले. Carefully they were investigating so that जो whatever evidences are there, people should not hide those evidences. So probably they are doing some discreet investigations. Whereas discrete means unlike analog signals, digital signals are produced as discrete units. में 0 1 इसमें देते हैं, blocks में देते हैं, right? So discrete means two separate things, separate and distinct entities. So यहाँ पे if you can see the policeman for discrete, just remember with this thing, right? Now disinterested and uninterested. Now this is interesting, right? So disinterested means impartial. So the judge was disinterested in the lawyer's plea. Now he was impartial with the lawyer's plea. Both the lawyer can put their pleas and put their arguments, but the judge will take a fair decision, right? This means disinterested. Whereas uninterested means not interested. I'm finding this movie very, I'm uninterested to watch this movie, right? I'm not interested to watch this movie. So a banker is under an obligation to give disinterested, impartial advice, राइट? आप बैंक जाते हो, आपको अगर कोई पार्शियलिटी कर आपके साथ, आपको प्रॉबेबली इधर डालना चाहिए जहाँ पे आपको 7% इंटरेस्ट मिल रहा है, बट आपको कोई 4% इंटरेस्ट वाला ही बताए, सो दैट्स पार्शियल, राइट? सो अ बैंकर इज दे आर मॉरली ऑब्लिगेटेड टू give you disinterested advice, whereas uninterested means not interested. So her father was so uninterested in her progress that he only visited the school once. Dual and dual, right? Dual means having two parts. So the branch of tree had dual branch, had dual boughs, right? We read the bough word, right? Now duel means a myth or a fight or a contest between two people. So feud जिसको बोल सकते हैं, right? So there are plans to duel this road. इसको two way road बनाना है शायद, या having two parts करना, इसके division करना है. So duel means fight or contest. Let's see the usage of this word. Twice he had seriously wounded men in a duel, right? In a fight he has wounded some person. Now this is draught, draft. Draught means a current of air. Suppose you are in a seashore and you felt a draught, right? So that's draught, a current of air. So heavy curtains at the window cut out the draught. Now it inhibits the wind to come in, right? This is the first draft. Draft means a version of first version of writing. Suppose you're writing a thesis, you revise it multiple times. So the first time you make your thesis, so this is the revision being done. So this is called as draft. First draft, second draft. So this is the first draft of the party's manifesto. Descent and descent, right? Descent means anything which is downward movement. So suppose I climbed the hill. Now my descent was very tricky or very dangerous. While descending the mountain, I felt I was scared to descend the mountain, right? And descent means disagreement. So दो लोगों के बीच में कुछ argument हो रहा है, but they are not agreeing, they are not coming to a common ground, right? So this is known as descent. It is the steepest descent. Steepest मतलब यहाँ पे ऐसा आता है. Steep मतलब एकदम सीधी चढ़ाई जिसको कहते हैं, और या सीधी उतराई, उतरना. So it's a steep descent on the course. Now you know we have seen the meaning of, there are multiple meanings to the word course, which is course means a meal भी होता है, course means subject भी होता है, course means a way or a journey or the way you have taken, right, to do something. Now and runs for nearly 2 miles. Showing dissent at umpiring decisions can amount to violation of the conduct code for players. Now यहाँ पे disagreement, showing disagreement. वैसे भी ये verb है, तो you must know that dissent here means a verb. और dissent यहाँ पे it's a noun, it's a thing, right? It's a word given to something. Elicit and illicit. Elicit means to draw out something, और किसी से कुछ निकलवाना, और while forging or while extrusion type of processes जहाँ से कुछ निकलता है उसको elicit बोलते हैं. So the work elicit enormous public interest. The work draws enormous public interest. So these people gain publicity out of this. So when you gain something or you draw out something, you benefit something out of something, this is known as illicit, right? So illicit means illegal or forbidden. So suppose alcohol is illegal in the state of Gujarat, right? So it's illegal or forbidden. Prolonged question and answer sessions will eventually it's elicit the response. मतलब अगर बहुत question answer session हुए, तो finally that person would tell the truth, right? So it will elicit, it will draw, they will finally be able to draw out what they want from that person. Suppose जैसे custody में होता है, जब criminal के साथ question answers होता है, so they try to elicit some facts and information out of the criminal. They will put an end to the illicit drug trade and quash the insurgency and end violence in Colombia. Illicit means drug वैसे भी forbidden चीज़ है, तो it's illicit. Ensure and insure. Please remember, whenever it's INSURE, it's something related to insurance. Now insurance is to provide compensation if a person dies or property is damaged, ठीक है, तो अब हम इंश्योरेंस कराते हैं हर चीज़ का कि अगर कहीं इसको हमारी गाड़ी इफ़ वी मेट एन एक्सीडेंट एंड कार गॉट डैमेज, सो वी कैन गेट एन इंश्योरेंस फॉर दैट. ठीक है, वी आर इंश्योर्ड. इंश्योर मीन्स टू मेक सर्टन, पक्का कर लेना कि हाँ ये सब चीज़ ठीक है. सपोज यू आर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एन इवेंट, सो यू हैव इंश्योर्ड दैट एवरीथिंग इज प्रॉपरली डन, right? So this guarantee dash the full value is repayable should any structural issues arise. Now this guarantee, warranty card या guarantee मिलता है, तो ensures, it makes certain that you get the full value. So the insurance policy insure Mr. Penn against specified risks including fire. This is envelope and envelope. Envelope means to cover. So the kangaroo envelopes his child in the pouch, right, to cover or surround. So I attempted to get the keys a few times until darkness completely enveloped me. मतलब it surrounded me, right? Envelope means लिफाफा, जो आपको सबको पता होगा, a paper containing a paper container for a letter, right? So my boss handed me the envelope containing the necessary papers. Exercise and exercise. Exercise means a physical activity. You must be knowing physical activity, an activity, और जो class में आपको exercise करने देते हैं, like when we started the video, I gave an exercise to you, like a task to practice or to test a skill. Now exercise means to drive out evil spirit. Now exercise, let's see the meaning of these two words through the sentences. The rebranding exercise could cost as much as £30 million. This exercise. Now Rosa has written an autobiographical novel in an attempt to exorcise, to drive out this evil spirit. Supposing if you have watched Conjuring 2, there are two people who, the movies around these two people who actually go to different places and exorcise the evil spirits. So this is exorcise. Eminent and imminent. Eminent means pukhyat, dignitaries, right? Prominent. Imminent means something which is about to happen. So the acclaimed filmmaker has adapted several works of eminent writers, popular writers, right? An imminent merger, which is just about to happen, that his colleagues are all threatened with redundancy. So जब merger होता है तो जो layoffs भी होते हैं उसके बाद, right? क्योंकि redundant skills होती है सब लोगों के पास, तो you do layoff. Companies do layoff basically. So it's imminent merger. So guys, this is it, and please do rate, review and recommend these lessons and share these courses as much as possible, and please give your feedback. Write in the comment section below. I will definitely reply to your feedback at the earliest. Thank you once again. Bye.